Students, today we will discuss about collision domain and broadcast domain. Okay, so what is collision domain? A group of devices sharing the same bandwidth is collision of domain. Okay, so that is collision domain. So group of device will share the same bandwidth. Okay, so in hub only one device can send at a time. All of the device will wait. They will receive. Okay, so only one can send, others can receive, like that. Okay. So in a switch, full duplex means every device can send and receive at the same time. That means each link is a collision domain. Okay, so here in hub only one can send, all others will receive. That means collision domain only one. In switch, we can send and receive at the same time. That means each link is a collision domain. So that's why we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links. That's collision dimension is 5. Okay, clear? Broadcast domain means set of devices that receive the broadcast frames originating from any device. So what are the devices which receive broadcast is called as broadcast domain. Okay, router will not broadcast. Now we go for the which one? Some points. Okay, layer 3 device. I think one student was asking something. Okay, okay, let me close this. Okay, so a layer 3 device, a router will break broadcast domain, and the router will not forward broadcast domains. Okay, switch will be forwarding the broadcast. So that's the one point we have. Then you go for the problems. Okay, that's what many students ask me. I need problems to calculate that which one, collision domain, broadcast domain. Okay, so for that I need to go for the key. Remember this one. Okay, how do you count the collision domain? Number of cables to switch plus router. How many connections or cables you have for the switch plus router connection is called as collision domain. Broadcast domain means how many networks are there, any number of cables connected to router, that is broadcast domain. And for hub, collision and broadcast domain are one. Okay, now keep this in mind. Okay, now see, in a hub network, I told you find the broadcast domain, collision domain. As I told you, you have a hub network means the collision domain and broadcast domain are one. No need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is hub. Okay, for collision domain and broadcast domain hubs we have only one. Okay, because only one can send at the time, all of them can receive. So that's why it is only one in a hub network. See, only one. Now here also, how many broadcast domain? Even if it is hub, no, if it is hub, all together only one. No need to count all those things. Okay, collision domain, broadcast domain in the hub will be only one. Okay, now switch, what is the collision domain of switch? See that table. If it is a switch network, the collision domain is number of connections or cables to switch plus router. So here the switch has how many connections? See, 1, 2, then one towards router, so 3 is the collision domain. Okay, do not count these things because hubs you already know how many cables are there. Hub will have only one can send and receive same time, that is already connected to switch. So whenever you have switches, don't no need to count the links of hub. Okay, switch connections is enough. So switch has 1, 2 and one towards router, so 3 is the collision domain. 3 is the collision domain. So answer C, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can write here answer is 3. After that, um, collision domain. For this one, how many switches here? 1, 2 and 3. So how do we count the number of collision domain? Count number of interface of switch plus router. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1 to router, 7. 1 this one this one, this one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the switch, this is a router. So 7 is the answer. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. Okay. Question number 5. What is a broadcast domain? So broadcast domain, broadcast and minister, what he told, the number of connections in the router, number of networks in the router. So here router has one connection, two connection. So this all will come under one network. This is another network. So we have two. See, this is all one network. This is separate. Okay. So this is answer is 2. Number of connections to the router, number of cables, number of networks to router. This is broadcast domain. Now collision domain. So here, how many switches here? One, two. Okay. So here one connection, one. Then this switch has two connection, two, three. Then this all connected to single line. So four, and routers another one, five. So collision domain one. This all two. Then three, four, five. Don't count this because this is hub. Hub do not count. So one. This all one. Then two. Then three. Then four. Then five. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer I put here 5. And then broadcast domain. So here there is no router, but this all is coming under one router network. Okay, broadcast means one network. Okay, so this is broadcast domain 1. If it is collision domain means 1, 2, 3, but this is broadcast they're asking. So this is only one baba. Understood? There's no router, but still it is a part of a network. Okay. Now, collision domain in this topology. This switch has one here. This no need to count because it's a hub, right? This is one. This is two. All together, this is two. Okay, this is now this one. This is two, and this is three. Understood? One, this one. Okay, then this one, two. This all connected to here, two, and this is three. Let's see, one here. This all two. This is one, three. Hope you understood what I'm telling. Okay, number of networks or number of cable connected to switch. So this all cables all connected to the same line. So that's why I take it as one. Then this is two. This is three. This I will not count because this is hub. Okay. Now practice hub. No matter how many hubs are connected, how many ports are connected, how many interfaces connected, how many cables connected. Hub means collision domain 1, broadcast domain 1. So I will write here in this question. C D equal to 1, BD equal to 1. Okay. Now what about this one? Switch has collision domain means how many cables connected? 1, 2. So collision domain is 2. Broadcast domain means it's a part of a network. So it will be 1. So here the next part for switch CD equal to 2, BD equal to 1. Done. Now this one collision domain, broadcast domain. So collision domain means how many cables to switch plus router cable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here I will write insert where is text box. Okay. C D equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. BD broadcast domain means how many cable connected router? Only one cable, only one network. So broadcast domain equal to 1. Here insert text box. Okay, so in this topology how many collision domains? Switch has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections. Okay, CD equal to 5. Broadcast domain equal to router has 2 connections, 1, 2. So broadcast domain equal to 2. Class, that's a video. I hope you understood. All the best for tomorrow's exam.